Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is on simplification root 2x minus root 8 divided by x square minus 4 into root 8x plus root 32 divided by x square plus 4 gives. Let's see the solution. We have to find the value of the expression root 2x minus root 8 upon x square minus 4 into root 8x plus root 32 upon x square plus 4. We can write the expression as root 2x minus 2 root 2 upon x minus 2 into x plus 2 into 2 root 2x plus 4 root 2 upon x square plus 4, or we have taking root 2 common from the first ratio, root 2 times x minus 2 upon x minus 2 into x plus 2, and taking 2 root 2 common in the second ratio, we have it as 2 root 2 times x plus 2 divided by x square plus 4. Cancelling x minus 2 and x plus 2, we get the expression as equal to 2 root 2 into root 2 upon x square plus 4, or 4 upon x square plus 4. That is answer option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by x square minus 2x minus 35 into x square minus 13x plus 42 divided by x square minus x minus x into x square plus 7x plus 10 divided by x square minus 10x plus 24 in simplified form is. Let's see the solution. We can factorize the given expression and write as x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 3, x square minus 2x minus 35 is equal to x minus 7 into x plus 5. Similarly, x square minus 13x plus 42 is equal to x minus 6 into x minus 7. X square minus x minus 6 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 2. X square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to x plus 5 to x plus 2. And lastly, x square minus 10x plus 24 is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 6. Substituting this factorized form in the original expression, we can write the expression as equal to E is equal to x minus 4 into x minus 3 divided by x minus 7 into x plus 5 whole into x minus 6 into x minus 7 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 2 whole into x plus 5 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 4 into x minus 6. Now cancelling the terms in the numerator and the denominator, we get x minus 3 cancelled with x minus 3, x minus 6, x minus 6, x minus 7 cancelled with x minus 7, x plus 5 with x plus 5, and x plus 2 as x plus 2. All the terms get cancelled with each other, and therefore the value of the expression is 1. That is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is On dividing a number by 999, the quotient is 377 and remainder is 105. The number is. Let's see the solution. We know that dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Therefore, the number required is equal to 377 into 999 plus 105, or 377 into 1000 minus 1 plus 105, or 377000 minus 377 plus 105, or is equal to 377000 minus 272, which is equal to 376728. Therefore, we have answer option number 3. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square divided by x square y minus xy square is equal to. Let's see the solution. We are given with the equation x plus y whole square minus x minus y square upon x square y minus xy square, or is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy minus x square minus y square plus 2xy divided by xy taking common x minus y, or is equal to, after cancelling the terms, 4xy divided by xy times x minus y, or is equal to 4 upon x minus y. Therefore, we have answer option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Anirudh. The question is the value of x square minus y minus z whole square upon x plus z whole square minus y square plus y square minus x minus z square upon x plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x minus y whole square upon y plus z whole square minus x square is. Let's see the solution. In the above expression, we see all the terms of the form a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Therefore, we can write x square minus y minus z whole square upon x plus z whole square minus y square is equal to x minus y plus z into x plus y minus z divided by x plus z minus y into x plus z plus y, or is equal to x plus y minus z upon x plus z plus y. Let this be equation 1. Second term is y square minus x minus z square upon x plus y square minus z square. This is equal to y minus x plus z into y plus x minus z divided by x plus y minus z into x plus y plus z, which is equal to y plus z minus x upon x plus y plus z. Let this be equation number 2. And the last term is z square minus x minus y square upon y plus z square minus x square, which is equal to z minus x plus y into z plus x minus y upon y plus z minus x into y plus z plus x, which is equal to z plus x minus y divided by x plus y plus z. Let this be equation 3. Adding 1, 2 and 3, we get our required value. Therefore, the required value is x plus y minus z upon x plus y plus z plus y plus z minus x upon x plus y plus z and plus z plus x minus y upon x plus y plus z, or is equal to x plus y minus z plus y plus z minus x plus z plus x minus y upon x plus y plus z. Cancelling, we get the expression is equal to x plus y plus z upon x plus y plus z, which is equal to 1, and therefore our answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.